Hello, everybody. Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino, checking in on Tesla. Tesla gapped up, rallied up to the prior, right by the prior highs before selling off and closing slightly down for the day. Pretty much filling the gap to the highs. You see, gapped open, rallied up, filled the gap, closed slightly bearish. It's still waning momentum. RSI nowhere near as high as before, so we're gonna have to see. No divergence yet because it didn't eke out a higher high, but I'm just watching this. It's still waning momentum. Rotation zone now sitting about 340.70, 340.60 on the daily. Watching for a close above that. Move up stops if you're long is probably the best advice if you're learning how to manage a position like this. I'm watching this as a potential very sloppy double top because of this pretty big rotation in there. I'm going to be watching it, especially since the trigger point lines up exactly with the 50-day moving average. So this is a potential, and then if it did rally above 381.62, it would no longer be a potential double top, so this would not play out. And which is the next target. If we do get a close above 366.75, we'll be watching for 381.62. Until that happens, though, if this does sell off and we get a close below 325, it would also be a close below the 50-day exponential moving average. And then that could lead to a full potential target of 283.45 with a first target being 293.84 and then the 283.45 being the full target and the stop reduction being 304.22. Still, this key area is about 309 to 312 on the daily, which is where we have this a couple moving averages coming in. So that's just your quick update. We can check in on the weekly chart just to see how this is shaping up. So shaping up, if this pauses or drifts down slowly, right, it may get out of the way of the weekly rotation zone, which would then even make it a higher probability short. So definitely, if you're trading this from the long side only, pay careful attention if this double does trigger, because you'll want to manage your stops accordingly. So we have for you right now on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.